How to use Pinterest Watch. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use Pinterest Watch in your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device, or you can just use Pinterest Web. So what is Pinterest Watch? It actually is a feature where you can find and watch short videos. You can also scroll from one video to another, but there's no absolute button in Pinterest called Pinterest Watch. But there's a way you can still access Watch. For this, in your Pinterest homepage, just look for a video, tap on it, and then the video will start playing. To see the next video, just simply scroll below and then you'll find another videos and shorts. In this way, you can still access to Watch on Pinterest. That's it guys, thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.